DIY auto repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. And we're in this 2019 Hyundai Veloster. And we got 74,942 miles on the clock. And today we're going to be placing a front passenger strut. Customer wants us to replace it. They state it's bad. We have not done a diagnosis, but they want it replaced. So we're going to go ahead and replace it with the OEM part. And we're going to have to remove all the old pieces and parts and put on the new one because they do not come pre-assembled. So let's get to it. So we're going to take the tire off, but before we do, they're a special socket. Here it is, and this is what the inside looks like. So we're going to go ahead and take these off and we'll bring it right back. So we're going to take our wheel speed bracket off. It's going to be a 10 millimeter. Okay, now we're going to take our brake line bracket off. It's going to be a 12 millimeter. Okay, now so we're going to take our sway bar link off, at least the top. It's going to be 17 millimeter. Alright, so now we're going to remove our main strut bolts here. They're going to be a 19 millimeter. Alright, so now we're going to come up top, take our 3 fasteners out. They're going to be a 14 millimeter. So here we have our new one. We got the spring, cap, and ring off. We're going to go ahead and finish taking the rest of this off and putting it on the new one, and we're good to go. Okay guys, so we got our new strut shock absorber put back together. So we're going to go ahead and put this back in, and it's the reverse order of taking it out, and then we'll bring you guys right back. All right guys, and we are back. So we got it installed and all torqued down to spec. We took it for about a mile drive. We're ending it with 74,943 miles on the clock. And unfortunately, there's still an issue. There's still a clunking noise in there. I think it's something to do with the suspension. It's going to have to be diagnosed or further looking at, but we got the strut replaced. That was what we were told to do, so we did it and we're good. So anyway guys, if there's any more further on this vehicle that we do, we'll go ahead and bring you guys along for the ride. So hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always guys, until next time, have a good one.